fire life safety system, fire extinguisher, beam detector, fire sprinkler, and a smoke detector. There's also a fire suppression system in the kitchen and a public address system for emergency announcements. If the building is in an emergency situation, please keep calm and don't panic. Wait for information from the emergency response team. In the event of an earthquake, immediately protect your head. Take cover under a sturdy table, hold on, and wait. Stay away from glass or objects that could easily fall. In case of fire, floor warden officers will evacuate to the nearest fire escape on each floor. The second floor has 5 emergency exit stairs. First, in the corridor leading to north exit 1. Second, in corridor leading to next exit 2. Third, in the corridor leading to south exit 1. Fourth, in the corridor leading to south exit 2. Fifth, in corridor leading to east exit. Our staff and security officers will guide you to the assembly point. Gather promptly at the nearest assembly point at Ferville Garden. Here the evacuating procedures for the building. Do not use the elevators. Follow the evacuation route. Remove your high heels if there is an emergency. Walk calmly. Do not run to the emergency stairs. If you are caught in a struggle, hold the handrail when descending the emergency stairs. Those are the safety guidelines for Royal Glass House. Thank you for your trust and cooperation.